Hello everybody, welcome to the quick down and dirty tour of the Voyager 3, I call it, RV. I've been living in it for about a month now, so I figured I'll give a quick tour of the inside because I don't really show people the inside very often. The front door is an Arctic turn door. It's a great door, really like it. Good solid mesh, deadbolts, pretty cool. This is where I hang my keys. I got an outlet up front. This is my bed, which is kind of a mess, so I just threw my sleeping quilt over the top of it. Enlightened equipment quilt, awesome, pretty great. My controllers for the AC heat pump, 120 volt. And then I got my Fantastic Fan remotes, which I think they're on the same frequency, so one of them can control either, and I'm not sure if I can switch that. I hope there's a setting I can do that. That'd be great. I got my light switches over here, and I sectioned them off. So I got the back, the middle, the front, because I was trying to like figure out any way I could save power, and like just lighting a small area would save power, but it doesn't draw hardly any power, so it doesn't really matter. And then my outside floodlight, if you could see out there, is really pretty. I'm outside of Capitol Reef National Park. This is my main power cutoff. This is where my battery system is, power system's under there, and this is like a whiteboard, doubles as a whiteboard. We got controls and water. This is the AC and the diesel heater. Up here I got overhead storage. This is the same material as the outside of the RV, along with the drawer faces, because I kind of ran out of the drive to like find and buy new materials, and I started to really run tight on a budget. But up here, yeah, I got food. I keep food up here, and then like clothes, and then more clothes, and then like toiletries and stuff. Kitchen table, dining table. This converts into a bed, and I can show that in a longer tour. Cooking on a stove. We had foil dinner last night, and I'm just reheating it because I don't have a microwave in here. I think the microwave's a waste of space, to be honest. And it's not, it's straight up about the space, because I want to be able to have this open. Like everything kind of has a space that gets tucked away, so when I'm driving, nothing, I don't have to like put a million things in the floor in the middle here. But yeah, kitchen, oven, drawers, sink, water heater, and in the fridge, which is really nice. It's big, and it got a little messy in there because this road is brutal to get where I am right now. I don't know why I have these wipes in there, though. I think honestly though, when you don't have a lot of space, you just end up shoving stuff anywhere it fits, and I was like, oh, that fits in the fridge just fine. I don't really, it doesn't hurt it. 2 shelves, cool. We get the toilet back here. Let me show you guys that. I'm not gonna open the lid just in case it's gross in there. And then there's where I keep stuff, toiletries. I got kitty litter in there, and then colostomy bag supplies. I have a colostomy bag. And then my AC panel, DC fuse block. The whole back is this plastic tile stuff, and it's really cool to work with, and easy to cut, easy to install and everything. But I kind of wish I didn't do the whole back wall, the gray tile. Like, I really like the look of it, but it's just that much more weight to add to the very tail end of the vehicle, This is the shower, which is doubles as a closet, as you can see. I just shoved pretty much everything in here. This is an empty bucket, but I used it to wash my feet off and stuff yesterday, so it had dirt in it, and I didn't want to put my clothes, or this is my climbing gear, and then just trash, You accumulate a good amount of trash, and it's like, where am I going to dump this? Because I don't pay for spots or anything, because I have enough solar on the roof that I stay charged indefinitely out here. And, that's using hot water and everything. I like to strategically use hot water, during the hot parts of the day, or the sunny parts of the day, because then I'm getting plenty of wattage photovoltaic coming in to recharge the battery. But yeah, that's it for the quick tour of the inside and how I be living. There's the cab and a little foam door. But yeah, until next time, I'll show you more.